The investment side, the financial side, is something I'm incredibly passionate about. Literally, to be able to shorten your, your financial story, right? Whether it's, cutting down the time that you want to have your retirement plan or whatever plan, if you can leverage technology, right? Artificial algorithms, proprietary algorithms to speed up your financial story. That's what we're here. But I started about 6 years ago, and it's been this huge learning curve, right? You'll hear the saying, bots are great until they're not. Well, what we found out is that they are phenomenal, right? But the markets do change. And so what we're doing here is we're leveraging literally the top fund that I've ever seen that has a very conservative, safe, long-term strategy to basically take people from not knowing anything about trading to having success in the market. So they run an 80% algorithm, 20% human, right? They run multiple algorithm strategies, which diversifies, right? So one may be running 15% of the portfolio, max risk maybe 1 or 2%. And so they get the maximum return with the minimal risk. And their goal is to be the preeminent asset manager on the planet. They have 7 years of trading experience.
Hey, Nick, I hate to cut you off. You're rocking, but my phone's blowing up saying we need to see Nick. Like, we want to see Nick. He's got a face for camera. Can you spotlight yourself, please?
Oh, man, I'm definitely not as good looking as Eric, but we will definitely try to. Where did it go? I have that view up. 1 second. Standard side by side. Let's do the speaker view. How is that? See me now? Remove the spotlight. See? First time out. How are we here? Can you see me now? We're going to keep going. And so our goal here is to literally bring the best product to the market to make it simple, right? We know that there are people that want to leverage technology, want people to leverage the trading markets. You saw a slide earlier. It says over 7 trillion per day that's being traded, right? But it's a hard industry, right? Only on average, 3% of people actually have success. And so we're going to bring a product to the market that has, 4 years of algorithmic experience. And the whole strategy is based on basically being conservative and just taking small wins day after day. Next slide, please, Eric. So here's the results from the fund that we're going to be leveraging. This past year in 2023, 57.89% return, okay? I challenge anyone on here to go and look and say, hey, what was the highest hedge fund return in the United States last year? And then see what these guys did. But they do it with minimal risk, right? To be able to, help someone who's brand new and knows nothing about it, to be able to leverage their technology, leverage their trading experience to win and have success in the market long term. There in the bottom left, you see the historical returns last year in 2023, month by month. Now, just to remind you, this is a product that's just outside the United States, but they base their whole strategy on compound interest. Compound interest has been referred to as the 8th wonder of the world. That's Albert Einstein's quote. He says, those who understand it, earn it. Those who do not, pay it. And so we're going to bring a product to the marketplace that is conservative, that's safe, that gives you the leverage to be able to put something in, sleep at night, but also win in the markets on a consistent day-to-day basis. And we're so excited to bring that around the world for a product that can definitely people help long-term and help them with their financial story. So